So if you guys have this problem, you guys have a vibration 30, 40K, and on 70, 80, 90K, and yeah, you're getting slugger run, very slug. Change your fluid. What's up, guys? Here we go again. If you guys like this content, like, subscribe, ring the bell. So I test drove this vehicle. There is a vibration going from 60, and it's at worst at 70 all the way through 90k, right? So when you're going on a cruise 60, 70, 80, 90, there is a vibration. So what I suspect is the transmission fluid needs to be replaced. So the proper way of doing this is to replace the transmission fluid pan and the filter. But since I couldn't get the pan fluid filter and the gasket, I'm just gonna do the drain and fill. So after I do that, and if it makes a big difference, I'm gonna do it the proper way. Alright, so that means I did a second flush, which is going to be a very good for this transmission, because it's going to be a very clean transmission fluid, you know what I mean? Alright, so I'm gonna go underneath and drain the fluid, and I'll show you guys what's down there. Alright guys, so underneath here, this is the transmission pan, and this is the drain plug. Alright, so I'm gonna remove that and drain the fluid, and the size of the hex is a size 5. Alright, so size 5 hex for that. I'm going to drain it and see how much is gonna drain, and that's basically what I'm gonna fill into the transmission and add a little bit extra more. Alright, so I'll go ahead. Alright guys, so I got a pan here underneath, and I'm going to remove this badass. Oh my god, look how black this is, bro! This fluid is so black. Yeah, I got it on.
It's a 200 kilometers.
200k. It's probably has never been done before. Or it's probably been done, because I don't see any leak on the transmission pan. So but we'll see how it goes. Drain and fill, and go for a test drive. Alright guys, so since I'm just gonna do a drain fill, so look at the trick that I'm gonna do. So I have a magnet here, so I'm just gonna stick it on the pan and move all the gunk and metal so I have a magnetic here, so I just stick it on here and move it towards the drain to move all the gunk and the metal stuff on the oil pan, just like that. So I'm gonna go around. I've already done so I'm just basically showing you how I went. So basically like that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put the drain plug back on, torque it to the right spec, and I'm gonna fill it up from the top. Okay guys, so I'm gonna fill up the fluid in this fill hole, not this one, because this is for the engine oil, this is for the transmission. Okay, and you're gonna need a funnel just like that, and I'm gonna fill it up. Alright guys, so I've already put in 4 liters of Pentacin ATF 134. Alright, so this is equivalent to MB specification. I'm trying to see here. Alright guys, so right there made in Germany. Uh, Approval, Mercedes-Benz approval 236.14, and that is the specific fluid for Mercedes. Alright, so this is it. So I put in 4 liters. What came out in the pan was 3.5 liters. It was all this dirty fluid right here. So this is the dirty fluid. So it came out. Yeah, it came to about 3.5 liters. All right. So I just added extra 0.5 liters to compensate all the losses and the burn fluid from driving. So I put 4 liters in. So yeah, moment of truth. We're gonna go for a drive, see if it helped with the vibration at 60, 70k, 80, 90k. Alright, let you guys know. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. Usually you could feel the harsh vibration in 30, 40, and then again on, I believe it's going to be the 4th gear at 70, 80, 90, right? And here we are, guys. Alright guys, so here we go. We're going 60, 70, 80. We don't feel any vibration there, which is pretty good. And then the shifting is slightly jerking, but you know, it's better than before. But yeah, dude, yan lang ay.
We got it, yeah, we got it.
It's got it, right? You make it right. Stoplight. So yeah, it's a lot better. So the next step that we're going to do is we're gonna replace the oil pan and the filter, transmission filter. Alright, put new fluid, so that will be a super clean golden transmission fluid. Okay guys,
There's a pull now, there's a pull in the turn. There was no pull in the turn before.
How about the response, man? Good?
The response is more quick.
It's a lot better?
Better. When you press the gas, the pull is right there.
That's good, man. That's good,
Very
man.
nice. Alright, 2 thumbs up.
Thumbs up,
I
man.
would
Like,
put my-
subscribe. Yan eh.
There it goes.
Smooth, eh?
Well, there's no more jerk, yo.
Wala na,
No
wala
more
na
jerk.
jerk.
I think
Yeah.
the fluid circulated.
Yeah, I think it needs to be more. It needs to be driven and get the new fluid circulated in all gears, so that way it's a lot better. Yeah, it's a lot better shifting. But yeah, that's it. So if you guys have this problem, you guys have a vibration 30, 40k, and on 70, 80, 90k.
There's no pull.
And yeah, you're getting slugger run, very slug. Change your fluid. All right, I know that Mercedes-Benz, they say that it's a lifetime, it's a non-serviceable lifetime transmission fluid. Oh hell no, guys, no, don't do that, man. Change your fluid, because if you don't service your fluid, it's gonna ruin your transmission. Okay?
I think
So-
mine was 200.
Yeah, so this car already have 2k, 200,
Yeah.
right? You guys can see. Alright, you guys can see.
After you switch it off.
Yeah, there's a lot of warning lights going on there, so we can't see what the mileage is. But it's 200 plus k. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, it says that non-serviceable. But yeah, go ahead and service the transmission fluid, and that will fix the vibration
150,
problem.
150.
Okay, guys.
150 recommended.
No, 80k.
80k, okay, 80k recommended.